Hey guys, another Zippo lighter trick tutorial. I'm pretty sure I made it myself. I'd call it the wraparound, and I'm not very good with it either. It'd be pretty cool if it was fast, so I might mess up on this. Alright, so I call it the wraparound because it wraps around your middle finger, basically. So first step, make sure it opens this. Make sure you're going to break it open this way, and you do a pinch grip with your thumb and index finger on the cap, and you flick it out like that. Take your middle finger, bring it up to your thumb, where your thumb was, and you're sort of doing like a pinch grip with your middle finger and your index finger on the cap. Twist it around. Bring your ring finger here to the body. Do a pinch grip sort of with your ring finger and your middle finger. Twirl that around basically wrap it around your middle finger. Once you finish wrapping it around your middle finger, you take your index finger and you put it here, so you can bring it down on your hand like that. Put your middle finger down and light it. So I'll show it again, this time without talking, if that's because I might have sounded confusing. And you're supposed to light it there. But that's the trick. Tell me what you guys think about it. Comment, rate, and subscribe.